Good evening friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel ASFIN. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed today, that is 28th of March Monday, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow, that is 29th of March Tuesday. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the global indices. In the last trading session, Dow Jones was up by 0.44%, S&P 500 by 0.51%, and Nasdaq was more or less flat. Actually, it was trading in negative range, but this is not for which we need to bother, because IT stocks on Nasdaq at times get into the pressure, so there is not much of a worry. If we talk about the European markets, DAX, FTSE and CAC all are trading in green. DAX is up by 1.34%. That's very good for the Indian markets. If we talk about the Asian indices closed more or less in red. Only the Hang Seng was up in the Asian market, all the other indices were down. So let's look at the FIDI data for today. It seems like FIDI data for today has not come yet, but I'm pretty sure FIs must have bought something, because the rally which we have seen in the second half in Nifty would not have been possible without the buying of FIs. So what happened today was we opened in the flat range, and then we made a bottom of around 17,000, and this is the beauty of these support levels and the resistance levels which are given to you. And look how exactly the market is following these levels. I have given you 17,000 as a crucial support, and from there we have seen a bounce back in the market, and this is why levels are helpful in trading. So from 17,000 we have seen a sharp up bounce, and we have closed at 17,222. So this is another kind of a resistance level which Nifty was facing a hurdle to cross. If this is crossed, then for tomorrow the first resistance would be 17,280 to 17,300, second would be 17,350 to 370, and third would be 17,400 to 420. If we loses the gains which we have, which we have got today, then we might slip up to the level of 17,150 to 170. This is the first support level for Nifty. Second would be at 17,100, third would be at 17,050, and fourth would be at 17,000. So these are the levels as per chart. Let's go to the option chain to validate the levels. As of now, we can see call writers are active on 17,200, 17,300, as well as 17,500. This is the strike price where call writers are holding the level. And on the put side, 17,000 is a contract where 1 lakh contracts have been written on the put side. So these are the levels which will drive the market. Here we can see call writers have started closing their positions, so they are sure that the market will remain bullish. Tomorrow, if we start moving higher, then these call writers will exert pressure on the market, and they will lead to the short covering in the market we can see tomorrow, likewise we see today. So let's go to the bank nifty. On a bank nifty, we can see we were struggling to go up, but in the second half the PSU bank index started working, and there was a good buying in the PSU banks. So that's why we have seen this upward rally, and this is the level of support which is very crucial for bank nifty in the coming days, because this level has been respected by bank nifty a lot. 35,000 is the crucial level for bank nifty. If we start moving up tomorrow, then the first resistance would be at 35,750, second would be at 35,900, third would be at 36,000. So these are the levels. If this is broken, then definitely we are going to see 36,220 to 36,250. On the support side, the first support would be at 35,550 to 35,600, second would be at 35,350 to 400, third would be at 35,250, and today's low would be the last support for the bank nifty. Let's go to the option chain to validate the levels. Here we can see call writers are active at 36,000 strike price, but some of the call writers are not having conviction in this strike price, and that's why they have started unwinding their positions. So market may move upside, and then we can see 36,500 is the next level where call writers are active. Talking about the put writers are active at 35,000 strike price, and then we can see 35,500 is also having good OI in terms of put writers writing the positions. Here we can see the call writers have started closing their positions in the money, so this will bring another kind of short covering in the market, which we can see tomorrow. So today we could not trade because I was slightly busy, so hopefully we'll try to trade tomorrow and let's see what happens. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like and share to the video. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.